You're watching Project 380 and this is Back to Basics. And on this episode of Back to Basics, we're going to be removing the front bumper from this Mark 2.5. Removing the front bumper is going to be a lot easier with the car up on some axle stands. Safely up on some axle stands, and we're going to take the key, pop the key in the ignition with the ignition off, and turn the steering full lock. And that will give us access to 4 pop clips in the arch, which hold the arch liner to the bumper. One here, which is missing. I had to remove this to remove the front splitter. One here, and one here. And then underneath the bumper, attaching the inner arch to the bottom of the bumper, is 3 8mm bolts. They have got a Phillips center, but that's probably going to be useless. So one here, and one here. Well, that front part of the inner arch liner just fell out. You don't need to remove this to take the front bumper off, but if you need a little more access, there is 2 extra pins there and there, which are the other side of the wheel back here. If you have front fog lights, you're going to want to come behind this arch liner, and right back up in there is a plug which powers the fog light. You need to unplug that from the chassis there and dangle the wire down in the bumper. Going to be a little bit hard to film that, and it's going to be hard to unplug it because usually they're full of dirt and quite stiff. The fog light's all unplugged and the wires dangling down. If you've got light upside reflectors, that needs to be unplugged as well. There's one last thing we need to do in this front inner arch, and that is to peel back the upper inner arch and remove the screw that is holding the bumper to the wing here. That is just there. That is an 8mm or a Phillips, but unfortunately on this car, both of those bolts are missing. So now onto the middle of the bumper. If you've got a grille, that needs to be removed. Different grills are held in with different methods. Some of them are just 1 bolt down here, and others are 2 bolts, one here and one here. However that's held in, that needs to be removed. Behind that grille, you're going to find 5 plastic poppers. They're a weird sort of triangle shape. You should have 3 across the bottom, 1 either end and 1 in the middle. That one's missing because that was holding the grill in. And then 2 rectangle ones at the top. This looks a little different because I think this was a bracket to hold the grill. And this one's missing. But you simply put a panel popper in there and pop them out. If you pop the bonnet and come to the center where the bumper meets the chassis, you should have 4 10mm bolts holding the bumper onto the chassis. As you can see, I've got one missing, but they need to come out. Now there should be nothing else holding this bumper in. The last step of removing the bumper is going to be easier if you've got 2 people. You want 1 person either side, 1 hand on the bumper here, and 1 hand on the bumper in the arch. Pull the bumper away from the arch, and then forward away from the car. But I'm by myself. So pull the bumper away from the arch, down here. You should feel it pop out a little bit, but the plastic popper's missing this side. And then do the same the other side. And carefully pull the bumper away from the car. So that is how to remove the front bumper from your Mark II or Mark 2.5 all by yourself. If you learned anything from this video, pop it in the comments down below. As per usual, like, comment, share and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one.